Let's try lamb head. So I always saw lamb head at my local butcher shop, but I never actually knew how to make it. So I asked my butcher Abbas to teach me how to make lamb head.
You wash it properly, then you cook it. Water, spices, black pepper, salt, garlic, dry lemon, turmeric, and between 2 to 4 hours has to be slow cooked.
4 hours on what heat? Like medium, low? What is it?
Medium.
And you eat the eyeballs too or no?
Some people does.
And you?
Yes, we do.
What's the most amount of meat on the head?
Usually chicks. Then his brain has a brain meat, and you have some meat on the neck too, and the tongue, of course.
Okay, great. So we got the cheek, the brain, the tongue, maybe the eyeballs.
Yes.
So I previously made videos on how to eat tongue and brain, which are both delicious, but I never actually tried cheek meat. So let's see what lamb cheek tastes like. So I'm assuming this is the cheek meat right here. Oh, it's super tender. Just break this apart. It just falls apart. Wow, it smells really good. That's good. It tastes like almost a lamb shoulder, but it's a lot more tender. It almost melts in your mouth. Like there's not too much of a chew. And my butcher also said there's a bit of neck meat. Let's grab something from here. So that's a bit from the neck. And then with the broth that the lamb head was cooked in, that itself tastes amazing. Like you could strain that, and the next time you cook rice, use that lamb stock with it. Oof.